Alright, this session I want to show you how arrays are created and can be used in Ruby. Okay, so to declare an array, use square brackets, and you could simply declare an array like that, and you can assign that to a variable. So let's call it rooms. Okay, that's an array. So now you could also uh, add another element to the array using the inject operator. So you can do rooms 4. So this will make append value 4, item 4 to the array. And you can also um, have two arrays added to each other. So rooms and rooms 2 is let's say 5, 6, 7, and you can add these two arrays using rooms plus rooms 2, and it simply creates a union of these two arrays. You can also try to find what's in one and not the other one, so you can do rooms minus rooms 2, and what's in room and not in the other one, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can find something that is either in the first array or the second array using the OR operator. So rooms or rooms 2, it'll basically include elements from rooms and elements from rooms 2, but then it will eliminate in duplicates. In our case there was no duplicate. And you can also find what is common between the two by using the AND operator, rooms and rooms 2. There's nothing common between the two, so AND operator results in an empty set. And if you want to find out what this result is, you can rooms and rooms 2 dot class, that's an array. So the result is an array, but it's an empty array. Alright, and what else can we do? We can create an array simply by using the range creator. So ranges are so if you have an array called alphabets, and in this if you want to put in all the alphabets A, B, C, D all the way to Z, rather than typing in A, comma B, comma C and so on, there is an easier way. You simply use the range operator. So A dot dot Z, and this has to be converted to an array. So what you do is you use A dot dot Z, so that's a range. There's a method called toA which will convert this to an array and create the array and assign it to alphabets array, so which is pretty convenient. So it knows how to go from A to Z. And you can also do numbers as you can give a range 1 to 100 dot to A. So this will convert sorry, should be 1 dot dot. Okay, so it creates an array for holding 100 fixed nums. Alright, and you can also once you have an array, you can pull up the elements in that array by typing in the index. So numbers 5 is the value in numbers, fifth position is number 6. Okay, and index goes from 0, and rooms 2 comma 2 will pull up two items starting from position 2, so which is rooms array has 3 4, so rooms has array 1 2 3 4, so 0 1 2, so 3 is at second position and two numbers from there, two items from there are returned as a new array. Okay, you can create find what's inside an array. And this index can also go you don't have to use 3 4 positive numbers. You can also use rooms -2 1. So starting from -2, which in this case is you start from the left edge, the right edge, and so the second element from the right is 3, so you can use that -2 index. Or if you use -3 and 2 items, so it will return the third item from left, 2 items from the third item from left gets returned. So index can be, you can use negative values also. And whenever you have an array, you can add two arrays simply by using the plus operator, like I told you that. Alright, and let's see. Okay, now next we will see some iterations that involve arrays, but this is the introduction to arrays. Thanks.